This video is meant for the educational purpose. Please ensure you understand the step before using any script. The goal is to help you to learn how to complete the lab effectively while following the Qwiklabs terms and services and YouTube community guidelines. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and I hope you guys doing absolutely fine. I got so many requests for this lab because this lab is just recently updated, so it is a new solution for the lab. I will try to make this lab as simple as possible. So first of all, just log in with your credentials like this way. Once you're done with that, click on the checkbox and then just click on agree and continue. Now in the description box of this video, I will share one GitHub link. Just click on that link, then you are able to access this file over here. Just scroll down, open this URL in incognito window. It will activate Cloud Shell. So just wait for that. Click on this continue. And then just click on this authorize over here. Now just come back and from here you can see this curl command. This will download this GitHub repo from my GitHub to your Cloud Shell. Then we have to make this file executable. For that we have to just run this chmod command, and for executing all the command we have to just run this last command over here. So just copy all this command, come back, paste, hit enter, wait for a second, and now here you can see it's asking for the bucket name. For that just come back over here, click on the task number 1, scroll down, copy this bucket name, do not copy the last full stop. Just copy like this, paste, hit enter. Now just wait for this command get execute, and once it's done you are done with the task number 1 only. And it's done. Okay, now what you do, just come back over here and just click on this check my progress. You will get a score without any issue. Now the main problem start from the task number 2. So I will recommend you please pay attention while completing the task number 2. So first of all, what you do, we have to create a structured data and it should be de-identified. Okay, remember this point. Now just come back over here, scroll down, just open this URL in incognito window like this way. Now just click on this configurations over here, and from here just choose the de-identify like this way. Okay, make sure that you have to just choose that, and then just click on this create template. Now for the structured data, if you just come back over here, you can see we have to create structured data. So just copy this template name, come back and just choose a record over here. Again remember one thing, for the structured data we have to just choose a record. Now just paste the name over here like this way, scroll down, and for the multi-region just scroll up over here, and from here you can see this US. Why US? Because it's mentioned over here. Previously it mentioned as a global or any region. Okay, now just scroll down, from here just copy this bank name, do not copy the comma, just copy like this way only, come back, scroll down, click on this continue, and in this field over here just paste the name. Now again come back, now just copy this zip code, just make sure that you do not copy any extra space. Because of that extra space also you are not able to get a full score. So just remember this point. Okay, now just choose a primitive field over here, and from here just scroll down and just choose mask with character over here. Why it's that? Because if you come back over here you can see it's already mentioned over here. Now just scroll down, from here just choose a none, and then just choose a mask all characters. Okay, so if we just come back over here, you can see we have done with first transformation rule. Okay, now what you do, we have to create another transformation rule. So just click on this add. Now for the field just copy this message, paste over here. Now for the second transformation rule just choose match on the info type because it's already mentioned over here. Now just scroll down, click on this add transformation. For the transformation just scroll down, and from here you can see replace with info type like this way. So you have done with all these things. Now what we can do, we can just click on this create button over here. So just wait for a couple of seconds, and it's done. Now just click on this back arrow. So structured data is created. Now just click on this create template again cross verify, it should be de-identify. Now what you have to do, we have to create a unstructured data. For the structured data we have to choose a record, and for the unstructured data so just copy this name, it should be info type. Now just paste the name over here, scroll down, again just choose a US because it's already mentioned on the lab instruction page. Now click on this continue. Now for the transformation just choose a replace over here. You can see replace because it's already mentioned over here. Now just scroll down and then just click on this create over here. For the unstructured data we don't have to do anything over here. Now if you just come back and click on this check my progress, you will get a score immediately. Let's suppose if you have make some kind of mistake while creating a structured data or unstructured data, at that time you will get an error simultaneously. Let's suppose if you have make a mistake while creating a structured data, so it mentioned like, okay, you haven't created structured data as mentioned on your lab instruction page. At that time what you do, you have to just make come back over here, you will get this three dot over here. Okay, just simply delete that particular data and then again just create that template over here. So we are done with the task number 2 also. Now task number 3 is very easy. Just come back over here, just click on this inspection over here, then just click on this create and job template like this way. Now for the job ID, just scroll down, so this is our job ID, copy this and paste over here. Now for the region, it should be multi-region US. So it's already chosen for us, so we are not going to make the changes. But for it not chosen, so just choose accordingly mentioned on your lab instruction page. Now just scroll down. For the storage type, it should be Google Cloud storage. Now for this location, it should be the exclude rules. Okay, now for the bucket name, just scroll down, copy this thing carefully and paste over here like this way. Scroll down from here, just choose 100% and you can see we got a green tick over here. Let's suppose if you make some kind of mistake while pasting a name, then you won't get this green tick. Okay, now just scroll down from here, just choose a no sampling. Okay, now if we just come back, so we are done with all this part. Okay, now just scroll down, click on this continue, again scroll down, click on this continue. Now we are in the add action. Scroll down over here, just turn on this toggle called make a de-identify. Just scroll down, click over here and you will get this option. Just choose that. Again click here, just choose this option. Scroll down over here. Now for this URL, just copy this output URL over here like this way and paste over here. That's it. Now just click on this continue. Now for the schedule, just choose create a trigger, and for this daily over here, just choose a weekly because it's already mentioned over here. So we are done with all this part. Now just click on this continue, or you can just directly click on this create button. Click on this confirm and create like this way. So it's creating. Just simply wait for a couple of seconds now. Okay, so it's done. Now just click on this run now over here. Make sure that you have to click on this run now button. Now just click on this go to trigger job and you can see it's now running. Once the status show as a done, after that you have to just simply come back over here and click on this check my progress. You will get a score without any issue. So now just simply wait until this status show as a done. So it's done now. Now if we just come back and click on this check my progress, you will get a score without any issue. And as you can see, I got a score immediately. Sometime it might take time to update a score over here. So don't worry. If you have followed all the instructions which I mentioned in this video, then you will get a score without any issue. And in this way, we have to complete this lab. If you still have any doubts, please do let me in the comment section. Thanks for watching and have a good day, guys. Remember, this video is for educational purpose. Please make sure you understand the step and follow the Qwiklabs terms and services and YouTube community guidelines.